this video we will demonstrate how to integrate Google Calendar with other applications. Let's choose Google Sheet webhook as trigger application to integrate with Google Calendar. Let us first log in to Wyzebulb account by clicking on with Sign In with Google or providing your login credentials. To trigger the webhook URL, we have to install the Trigger and Send extension. Open a new blank or untitled Google Sheet in your account. Go to Extensions under Navbar, and click on Add-ons, then select Get Add-ons, in the search bar section. Search Trigger and Send, then install it. Now to configure the app, again go to Extension and select Trigger and Send. Click on Configure for URL configuration, where Trigger and Send will be configured at the right side of your Google Sheet. To start with the automation, click on Create Flow and select Google Sheets webhook as our trigger application under App. Next step is selecting Trigger Event. A new catch hook will be generated with which you can send post, put or get data to Google Sheets URL. Click on Save and Continue. Move to the next step, that is Set Up Webhook. Copy the newly generated webhook URL and trigger the event. Paste the webhook URL in your Google Sheet. Send data under Trigger and Send Model. A pop-up model with success message will appear when the event is triggered. Trigger the test sample by selecting the test event. Choose Google Calendar as our action application under Apps. Select Create Detailed Event as our trigger event, then click on Save and Continue button. Further proceed with Account Connection step. Connect your Google Calendar account. Then save and continue. Move to the Setup Action Template step. Fill the required fields selecting the map from your trigger application. Select Calendar List. Choose Start Date, End Date, Time Zone, Color, Conference Date, Guest, Title Default Remainder, Event Reputation, Visibility and Location. Then save and continue. Next step is to trigger the test action. A pop-up model with success message appears if required fields are filled. Click on Continue. Navigate to your Google Calendar where a new meeting that has been created will be scheduled. Save the flow with a suitable name for your reference. A flow will be saved under My Flows. When another new event is triggered, a success model will appear indicating new meeting is scheduled. Follow your Google Calendar where a new meeting will be scheduled. Thank you. For more such automations, visit Wyzebulb.